Hey everybody, Robot here from Vespa Motorsport and ScooterWest.com. So here I got a brand new 2024 GTV 300 from Vespa. Beautiful scooter, and its claim to fame is the classic lines of the GTV, kind of a carryover of Vespas from the 50s with the Faro Basso low headlight. But there's something they forgot. It comes factory with these silver levers. There's only one thing silver on this whole scooter. The levers, and they look completely out of place. Well, at ScooterWest.com we have the replacement levers available, 497042-BK. They're actually the carryover levers from the earlier models, but we have them in custom powder coat black, and I'll show you how to quickly install those and tremendously upgrade the looks of your 2024 GTV. It's pretty simple. It's a big flat blade screwdriver. The cool thing about the GTV is just like a motorcycle, everything's exposed. So 10mm combination wrench. Go ahead and break the lock nut. And pretty simple to steal these levers right off here. You know, everybody's looking for silver levers on Vespas, so you may want to put Loctite on these. Don't want anybody stealing them. So pretty much unthread that screw and have your hand under here. Pull the screw out and be prepared for 2 washers sometimes to drop out. Definitely want to save these 2 hardened washers. So they just pry right out. Both sides they're pretty much the same for both of them. So we have the Scooter West part number 497042-BK. These are the factory original levers, and we send them out locally to get powder coated. They do mask the hole where the screws go right there, just like that. Sometimes you do have to clean it out a little bit, so always check the fitment, and oftentimes it doesn't take much to clean it out. You can just get in there with a little pocket knife and scrape the excess powder coating out until the screw goes in there nice and smooth. Take the chamfers out. So once the screw goes through just nice and smooth, you're pretty much set. One other thing to check the fitment when you're fitting up the powder coated levers. With these GTV levers, they're a carryover from the older generation GTS. They're actually symmetrical left and right. The new GTS levers, you know, on the 23 and later, they're actually not symmetrical. And sometimes you'll run into a case where both washers won't work. There are 2 ways to go about it. We do have an optional thin washer. You can find that washer as an associated part to the powder coat levers, or you can just put 1 washer in. So it fits pretty nice with just 1 washer. Okay. So take some of the Maxima waterproof grease. The Scooter West part number is just grease, pretty easy to find. Only need a little bit. Probably should be wearing a glove for this. And kind of just put a little bit on that washer, a little bit on this heel here because that makes contact, and a little bit in the hole right there. And since we already did a test fit, we'll go ahead and slide this whole assembly in and get the hole lined up. Go ahead, slide the pivot bolt in there. And then go ahead, send the screw home. Right when it stops, that's all you need to go. You don't need to go too tight because it will pinch the lever pivot. Make sure it all works and returns. You can hear the small little click of the brake micro switch working. And at this point, we can install the lock nut underneath here. And I'll use a rag, kind of wipe up the excess grease. And pretty much that's all it takes to upgrade this scooter with brand new levers here that now match the rest of the black trim on the scooter. All right, thanks for watching. Robot here from Vespa Motorsport and ScooterWest.com. Suggest subscribing to our channel, Vespa Motorsport. I have hundreds and hundreds of videos on how-tos of doing everything from basic service to accessorizing your modern Vespa to classic Vespas and more. I'll see you on the next one. Robot here.